I've tried a lot of systems, complicated Notion setups, color-coded calendars, apps I used for 2 days and then never opened them again. And honestly, most of this was just a procrastination dressed up as a productivity. So today I will show you my study workflow as it works for me right now. So it always starts here, my whiteboard. I split it into 2 zones. The main part is weekly plan, film a new video, build a website, study this topic, things I need to done by Sunday. During the week I check them off and at the end wipe everything clean. Fresh start, new week. The side column is for small stuff, a number I keep forgetting, a deadline, something I need today. But it's too easy to lose it when it stays only in my head. So next, my notebook. Every project gets its own log. A new video, a coding project. I open a page and I just start writing. What I did, what I figure out, what's next. Months later I can flick back and see exactly how something came together. Honestly, my favorite thing is just to make coffee, sitting down and writing. Plans, thoughts, whatever's on my mind. For me, it's really important to romanticize these moments. If studying feels like a ritual instead of horror, I actually do it. So, and next, sticky notes. And I want to explain this properly because a lot of people ask me about them. Right now, I'm getting my driver license, and this is where the system really shows itself. Every single lesson gets its own sticky note on my wall. I can see exactly how many lessons I have left just by looking at the pile. When I'm done with one, I rip it off. That moment is genuinely satisfying. Your brain feels the process in ways that no app can replicate. And also you can do it also for studying and your other tasks. For example, you have exam with 7 topics, so 7 notes on the wall, finish one, rip it off. And the next app in my workflow is Forest. It's a really great app to stay away from your phone. You start a session, plant a virtual tree, and if you leave the app, your tree dies. Sounds simple, but that visual of something growing while you work actually keeps you off your phone. Every completed session adds a tree to your personal forest. You can look back at your week, your months, and actually see when you were working and when you weren't. 2 features I use beyond the timer. It's Time Guard. It blocks distracting apps and tracks your phone usage, what helps you to have more time for productivity work. And Mindful Space has some sounds and breathing exercises for the breaks between sessions and just for time when you want to relax. So instead of jumping straight to Instagram after your work time, you actually decompress. Notion. It's my main hub. Everything is split into sections like video ideas, current projects, scripts. If it's channel related, it lives here. And same for study. When I have an exam coming up, I create a whole separate block, tasks, subpages, notes, vocabulary, exercise, like everything organized in one place. It's my second brain. Everything I ever work on, studied, or planned lives here. So Notion tells me what I need to do, but structure tells me when. It's a daily planner that puts everything on a visual timeline, lectures, study sessions, filming, gym, all in one place. The AI helps you plan your day in seconds. You just dump your tasks in and it builds a schedule. There's also a scanner feature, and also it's not ad, so I just really like to use this app and I want to share it with you. So with this scanner feature, you can just take a photo of your notebook or a handwritten plan and it reads it and put it straight into your timeline, which for me is perfect because I plan it in my notebook and then like in 5 seconds it's in my structured timeline. When you see your whole day laid out in front of you, you stop lying to yourself about how much time you actually have. Oh, and real quick, we just hit 1000 subscribers. Honestly, I didn't expect it to happen so fast, so like thank you so much. For real. And as a thank you for 1000 subscribers, my Habit Tracker widget is on sale only for 99 cents until the end of May. Link in the description. For memorizing, I use Anki. I just started using it, being honest, but I have a big computer science entrance exam in July and there's a lot of terminology to log in. Definition, concepts, algorithms, exactly what spaced repetition is built for. I also using it for German, like I study independently, so whenever I hit a word I don't know, straight into Anki, and then I can repeat it and just learn. So for AI I use Cloud. Most of what I'm learning right now I'm doing completely on my own, no teachers, no classes. Honestly, I think it's the best AI I ever used and I use a lot of them. So if you're self-studying anything like I do, this AI can help you with it. So this one is a little bit different. The X3 is not for studying, it's just for reading, books, whatever I'm into at the moment. But here's what I noticed. It's one of the best ways to grow your vocabulary without even trying. For example, you relax, you're into the story and words just stick. Then I can add new flashcard to Anki and learn new words. So full review for X3 you can see like here. And the last is my Habit Tracker widget. It's minimal, looks clean on the home screen. You unlock your phone and immediately see your whole month, which habits you are consistent with, which one you keep skipping. No need to open anything, no extra steps. Just tap, mark your habit, done. That's it. I made it because I wanted something simple and that works like fast. And I'm pretty proud of how it turned out. So it's still on sale for 99 cents until the end of the May. Link in the description. So this is my whole system for study and work in 2026, but honestly the most important thing for me is to romanticize the process. Make your coffee, set up your desk, open your notebook, find a spot that makes you to want to sit down and work. Because if it feels good to start, you will actually start. So share your workflow in my Discord channel, link also in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. A like would mean a lot, subscribe to the channel. See you next one. Bye.